Hello fishes, I'm Rick from stakefish, and today we got a bunch of hardware wallets like this.
Oh my god! Wow!
And this is stakefish customized ledger. What's a ledger? A ledger is a hardware wallet. It keeps safe your private keys instead of having them on a hardware wallet online, adding another layer of security.
I am not a security threat, and my middle name is Kurt, not Fart.
And we have worked together with Ledger on this customized version of their Ledger wallet. Let's go with the unboxing. Take a look. This is the first time we open it. You have to be sure that it's sealed, so it has never been tampered and no one has put any malicious thing inside.
Whoa, yuck. What happened in there?
This is Ledger, and on the other side, and when we open it, here there is the USB port to connect to your laptop. Here is what we can find inside the box. The Ledger device, the USB in case you don't want to use the Bluetooth, the keychain, the seed phrase, which is really important, is your backup in case you lose the hardware device.
Oh shit, not good.
Some key information about stakefish if you want to stake your tokens. Some basic instructions to use a ledger, which is really easy, and there is also some website with FAQs, and just the holder of your seed phrase, which probably you should also store in other places, not all together inside the box.
What are you looking at? What? What are you looking at?
And what can you do with the stakefish ledger? First, you could just keep your assets safe into cold storage.
Winter is coming.
Second, you could just ape into any DeFi project through MetaMask. And finally, you could help us secure the networks by staking with us.
Just do it!
Like Ethereum, Cosmos, Tethos, or Kava, for example. And later I will share with you some videos on how to use this ledger. Stake with stakefish, we know staking.